it's Laura Bazell. I have been getting a lot of questions lately about the subject of time management. And I know that everybody has a lot going on in our society right now. Life is just so busy. When you get one huge project done or one big event over with, you're already planning for the next one. So everything is just nonstop, and it's gonna be like that no matter what you do. My advice to you when it comes to Beachbody coaching is to fit coaching and what you do for your coaching business in with what you're already doing and interweave it into your life. The key to success with that is that you have to be consistent. No matter what you're doing, time is going to go by. It's all about the little things that you do on a daily basis that either make or break your success. So these things that you're supposed to be doing as a coach, they're things that are going to keep you healthy and keep you happy, like doing your workout every single day that it's scheduled, or drinking your Shakeology every day and not missing it. Reading 15 minutes of a personal development book every single day. These are our job requirements, okay? So, I mean, to have a job that the requirements are to work out, eat right, and read personal development, I mean, how could you possibly beat that? You're growing yourself while you're growing your business. So the only other requirement, the third vital behavior, is inviting. And that's where a lot of people get messed up, because they think they can just invite like a few people and, you know, follow up with them like a week later. No, you need to invite every single day. You need to constantly be networking to make new friends, and try to add 2 to 3 people to your friends list a day, and don't just try to sell to those people. You want to get to know people. I'm a people person, so the fact that one of my things that I do daily is start 10 to 15 new conversations with people that I know and have the conversation be nothing to do with Beachbody. Have it to be to do with them and how they're doing, or sharing about your life with them, or just talking. And to me, that's awesome. I love talking to people. So, but if you stop doing those things on a daily basis, you're not going to have a flow of customers coming in. It's like pumping a well, okay? You have to keep pumping regardless of whether water's coming out. And eventually you're going to get a trickle coming out. And then eventually it's going to be more than a trickle. And then it's going to be just gushing out. But you have to keep pumping. It's not always going to gush out. You're going to have months where you're struggling to get Success Club 5. But don't let that stop you from pumping the well. So that's just a little advice on time management from me. I tend to just fit Beachbody in where I can throughout my day. I don't watch TV. I don't play games on my phone. I don't do any of that. Everything I'm doing that's not with my kids and my family and responsibilities like that is I'm doing Beachbody. So I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any questions below this video.